Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will learn lesson number 12 from Madani Qaida Izhar part 2. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What is Izhar? Izhar is a rule which is happening. And what is Izhar in Arabic we will learn in this video, inshallah azza wa jal. What is Izhar? If any halqiya letter comes after noon sakin or tanween, then Izhar will be done. If any halqiya letter comes after noon sakin or tanween, then Izhar will be done. How Izhar will happen, we will see with examples. First of all, we have to know about what is halqiya letters, what is noon sakin, and what is sakina letter or silent letter. As we have learned that this sign called jazm sign or sukoon sign, any letter which has this sign is called sakin letter or silent letter. Any letter which has this jazm sign is called silent letter or sakin letter. How we pronounce sakin letter or silent letter? The silent letter is pronounced with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. How we pronounce silent letter we will see with examples shortly. And what is noon sakin? The letter noon sakin can be written as like this, because noon has jazm sign or sakin sign. So noon is here noon sakin. How many halqiya letters are there? There are 6 halqiya letters, and they are hamza ha, ain ha, ghain ha. There are 6 halqiya letters, and they are hamza ha, ain ha, ghain ha. How we pronounce halqiya letters? They have different origins, different makhrij. Hamza ha pronounced from the bottom part of the throat. Ain ha pronounced from the middle part of the throat. And ghain kha will be pronounced from the top part of the throat. I repeat, halqiya letters, hamza ha pronounced from the bottom part of the throat. Ain ha pronounced from the middle part of the throat. And ghain kha pronounced from the top part of the throat. This lesson also comprises all the previous lessons, that is harakat, tanween, the letters of madda, vertical, or khadi harakat, the letters of leen, the letters of kalkala, and the sakin letters. Let's start. Mim, noon, zir, min, ghain, zabar, gha, min, gha, fa, waw, pesh, fu, min, ghafu, ra, tu, zirin, min, ghafurin, min, ghafurin. Viewers, there is izhar rule happening here, because there is a halqiya letter comes after noon sakin. Here noon is sakin, because noon has sakin sign or jazm sign. and there is pesh before vav sakin, this is vav madda, And madda letters we pronounce by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Recite like this: min ghafurin, min ghafurin. The next is mim noon zir min, kha waw zabar khaw, min khaw, fa to zir fin, min khawfin. Here Izhar rule will happening because there is a halqa letter kha comes after noon sakin. Here noon is sakin because noon has jazm sign or sakin sign, and this is zabar before waw sakin, this is waw leen. And leen letters we pronounce without stretching and without sudden pausing the voice. Recite like this: min khawfin, min khawfin. The next is ya noon zabar yan, hamza waw zabar aw, yan aw, noon zabar na, yan awna. Here Izhar rule is happening because there is halqa letter hamza comes after noon sakin. Here noon is sakin because noon has jazm sign or sukoon sign, and there is zabar before waw sakin, this is waw leen. And leen letters we pronounce by without stretching or without sudden pausing the voice. Recite like this: yan auna, yan auna. The next is mim noon zir min, ha mim pesh hum, minhum. Here rule Izhar rule is happening here because there is halqa letter ha comes after noon sakin. Here noon is sakin because noon is silent sign or sakin sign. Recite like this: minhum, minhum. The last is hamza noon zabar an, ain mim zabar am, an ta zabar ta, amta. Here Izhar rule is happening here because after noon sakin there is a halqa letter ain, and here noon is sakin because noon has jazm sign or sukoon sign or sakin sign. Recite like this: an'amta, an'amta, an'amta. That is the lesson number 12 part 2. Inshallah next video we will learn more example. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.